When you eat a banana, never throw away the peel, because that's where a little magic begins in your garden. Many gardeners completely ignore this, and their plants then remain hungry, weaker, and less productive. And all the while, the solution is right in front of their noses, an irregular banana peel. Banana peels are packed with potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and calcium. It's like giving a plant a multivitamin directly to the roots. Potassium strengthens the stem, flowers, and fruits. Phosphorus helps root development, and magnesium stimulates photosynthesis. In short, the soil becomes richer, and the plants healthier and stronger. Why bury the pill in the ground? Because it breaks down so naturally and slowly, and all those minerals remain right where the plant can use them. No chemicals, no costs, no toxins, just pure nature. And now what most people don't know. Banana peels attract good microorganisms to the soil, improve the soil's structure, make it looser, and retain more moisture. As a result, the plants grow faster, bloom more, and the fruits are bigger and juicier. It's a little hidden trick of every seasoned gardener. How to do it? Cut the bark into strips or cubes to break it down faster. Dig a small hole 5 to 10 centimeters from the stem of the plant. Drop the pieces of bark into the hole. Cover with soil and water lightly. You can also do this in the fall, then it slowly nourishes the soil all winter. If you're planting a new seedling, insert one bark into the bottom of the hole. It will release minerals for months and feed the root as it grows. This is especially loved by tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and fruit trees. Another trick? If you want to attract earthworms, just bury 2 to 3 barks near the plant. Earthworms will come, loosen the soil, and further enrich it. A little thing for you, a big difference for the plant. If you found this tip useful, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share the video so others can discover the secret that gardeners have been hiding for years.